Most beginners in 3ds Max think adding more subdivisions make the render look better, but it actually does the opposite. Look at these photos. If I start adding more segments, just increasing the iterations with a TurboSmooth, you can see the mesh getting denser and denser. But a common mistake is adding subdivisions everywhere, even on surfaces that don't need any extra detail. So let's try to work with this now. This is where things get interesting. If I try to move the object or make a small edit, you will notice that the scene starts to feel slower. That's because all those extra polygons are just sitting there, doing nothing useful, but still affecting performance. Your scene gets heavier, slower, and hard to edit. Let me reduce the subdivisions. Now, if we compare both versions, this one is lighter, easier to work with, and honestly, in most cases, it looks exactly the same in the render. So, if you don't see a visible difference in your render, you probably don't need those extra subdivisions. More subdivisions don't automatically mean better quality. Keep your geometry simple, and only add detail where it actually matters. That alone will make your scenes faster, cleaner, and much easier to work with. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider supporting my work in Ko-fi/Archviz Explain. It helps me create more tutorials like this one. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. And thank you for watching.